Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine amidst this COVID crisis. Well, we have already done a few applications of op-amp, and today we will learn about voltage follower circuit. Okay, for this we require a non-inverting amplifier concept. Just go through the video of non-inverting amplifier using op-amp so that you can follow this part. The link is given in the description box also. You can find from there, or you can just subscribe to the channel and just see the video on non-inverting amplifier. Okay, so this circuit actually follows from non-inverting amplifier. What it actually follows is like that. In case of non-inverting amplifier, we apply the voltage at the non-inverting terminal, that is pin number 3. So I'm applying a voltage over here, and this part is grounded via resistance, and we have the feedback part with a resistance RF, and the gain comes out to be V0 by Vi is equal to 1 plus RF by R1. But over here, what we'll do is that we will just connect the input and output just in this manner. So this is the circuit for a voltage follower. Okay. Now the gain of the non-inverting amplifier is given as, say, AV is equal to 1 plus RF by R1. Now over here we don't have a feedback resistance, so RF is equal to 0. Okay, since we don't have a feedback resistance, and R1 we know is infinite. Okay, so the gain of the circuit, becomes unity. You can see from here, RF is 0, R1 is infinite, so this gain becomes unity. The circuit then is referred to as unity gain buffer or voltage follower. As the circuit has high input impedance and a low output impedance, it is used as an impedance matching device between a high impedance source and a low impedance load. Okay, so this is a very important circuit for your exam. Many times this is asked, so just I hope this is clear to you. Okay, thank you all, stay safe and take care.